Okay guys, so I got another car. You guys can't see the trailer, but I got the trailer back there, the U-Haul. So I got it like an hour ago, so I'm gonna see if I could make it there before they close. It's like 2 hours away, so, and it's raining, so I'll see you guys in a bit once I get there. I made it. Okay guys, so I made it like 10 minutes before 5, and they're supposed to close at 4:30, so the guy was pretty cool and was gonna bring the car out. They weren't supposed to anymore, but he's being cool with me, so he's bringing the car out right now. It's raining. Well, it's not raining right now, but it's sprinkling. Got some pretty cool cars right there. I have a Cadillac Escalade. I would go and check them out, but there's a lot of mud and a lot of puddles and stuff like that, but maybe next time. Okay guys, so I got the car. I didn't have a chance to record it while they were loading it, but they did it with the forklift again. I have it right there on the back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you guys will see it right now once I make a turn. Guys, but this is the car. It's a 2010 Volkswagen CC. Here's the damage. Couple dents right here, and this. Got the bumper inside, and I still got some parts in there, and the bumper. But everything else, it's also missing this little plastic as far as I can see right now. That plastic right there. So, but yeah, this is the car, guys. I'll check it out a little bit in further detail once I get home. It's raining. Now I'm gonna go to get some food. Okay guys, so here is the car. It says R line right there, so it's the R line. I really don't know that much about Volkswagen and that R line. So if you guys know anything about it, leave in the comment. The first VW I've had. Looks pretty cool, man. I like the way it looks. Looks really nice. Here's the damage. So this side's pretty decent. Let's go around this side. Right there, I don't see nothing either except the missing tail light. No buckling on this side either. So on this side everything looks okay except this middle part. This middle part it's bent inwards a bit. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can definitely see it. There's that. The reinforcement is okay. Not a problem there. See, no damage inside. So basically just the damage is this rear part and some dents in the lid, on the lid. There you can see them right there. But beyond that, everything else, there's a dent right here too. Beyond that, everything is okay. The tires are in decent shape. Let's see if I could open it. It's a cool looking car. It's very dirty, but it definitely is a cool looking car. Leather. No rips on the seats at all. There's a lot of crap in here. It's just really dirty. Some keys. Let me see if I could open the hood. No dents anywhere else. Everything else besides the rear looks clean. I mean, it's dirty, but I mean clean. I say no dents or anything else. It's got the 2.0 liter turbo. This thing needs a new shock because it's heavy. It won't stay up. Oh well. And I got the only thing that I'm missing, it's the rear tail lights. I'm missing the tail lights. This is the outer part of the tail light. And I was missing these too. I put this bag yesterday because it was raining, and it's missing that pillar plastic molding that goes right there, but it's back here. I just saw it right now. So here it is. Everything that's needed in the trunk. Like I have the plastic right here, and that whole floorboard is over here. This is the floorboard, and this is the trunk. I mean, not the trunk. This is the rear bumper. And the bumper it looks all messed up. They just shoved it inside the car, but it's not cracked except the chrome. The chrome trim is cracked, but the bumper itself is not cracked at all. It's really bent on this side. Look, right here. It's bent, like they just pushed it inside the trunk and part of the back seat, so they just didn't care. They just shoved it in there. But I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun, and I'm pretty sure this thing will come back to its original position. So I'm gonna try to do that right now. But there's the car, guys. Let me know what you guys think.